Hello everybody, welcome back to my Tribulations of the Mage devlog series. And for this devlog, I'm going to go over the enemy AI, as this is going to be my, second iteration of it. And I'm just going to go over some of the changes I made, and some of the, challenges or problems I encountered while, making these changes. So right now we're in the BP enemy AI Fishman actor. And as one of the changes I did was I actually just used the completed skeleton, which already has the weapon and shield. I did the one without it, just in case I wanted to make changes. Say, if I want to do a sword or something like that. But I mostly just did it like this because I actually ran into a problem, which caused me to make a new one. Because this is the second fisherman I made. So here's the first one. As you can see, it's just the the basic skeleton, like the Unreal Engine 5 mannequin. And I don't know what happened, but as you can see right now, I'm on the mesh, and as you can see, the details painted for it is blank. Now I can change, some of the animations and variables, but I can't change the skeletons or the animations and the details. And I was able to actually fix it by just using, going into the construction strip and just, doing it manually like this. But I also ran into another problem where if I've actually placed this actor into the level, it would cause my Unreal Engine to crash. So I just decided to make a new Fishman with already working. And then because I had to make a new Fishman, I decided just to do things different. So as you can see, I had the completed skeleton with the spear and shield. This one, I had the actual stag meshes for him that I attached, which was kind of this, was just tedious in a way. And then I also decided to change how I did the attack functions. I got them deleted so I wouldn't get the errors. But these were actually, attack 1 through 4 were actually connected to custom events called, attack 1 through 4, etc. But with the new way I did it, I decided to just add these attack functions into the parent AI so that I can hopefully call them, when I make more AI, I'll see how it works. I feel like this is probably a better way to do it. So yeah, these attack functions just have, the animation or the play anim montage node along with the specific animation. And then I also included a input called play rate, which just controls the play rate of the animation. Seeing how I actually retargeted some animations, some different assets. I noticed that some of them were maybe too slow or too fast. So I added a play rate input to control the speed to get it to a desirable effect for the specific enemy. And that's just the way I did it for all the attacks. So yeah, I think this should be a much easier way to do it as opposed to having the custom events. And as you can see in the new one, yeah, you can see right there. So yeah, as you can see, I have the function with the play rate set. Some of them I have going a little bit faster, etc. So I think this should be a much better way of doing it. I'll have to see moving on in the future. And I also made this sword trace and already damaged enemy variables in the parent blueprint as well in the combat, as you can see right here. Because I actually noticed that when I was making the new Fishman, I had to make the new variables for it and copy over. So I just decided just to put them in the parent function, and that should just make it a lot more easier and I guess better in a way. I think I'm wrong one. That should just make it better in general. So that was those two of the major changes. I just to reiterate, I made functions for the attacks with inputs for the play rate. I probably could do animation, but I think I already get it covered for the animation. So yeah, I made a function that has a play rate input, and then I made already damaged enemies variable and the sword trace variable into variables that are in the parent, so I can just drag them over into here. And then I also made some changes to the, well, not major changes to the behavior tree. Right now, I was mostly just actually testing, the block chance and strafe chance to get something that is more desirable for me. And I was just kind of doing some experimentations, like maybe having it so when the AI gets attacked, the strafe chance will go up. Right now, I kind of have that off because it kind of made some things a little bit wonky. I was also playing and experimenting with the ranges for the enemy. And then I'll actually just give a little bit of a combat preview right now. So maybe just walk on and then hit it. And I'll probably go over this. I had some more visual stuff. As you can see, it's strafing. I stunned it. I'm trying to get. As you see, I actually got blocking now, and then it has this little input. Stop blocking. Try to get it to attack me again. There we go. See, it chases me, and then actually killed me there because I unblocked. So yeah, it's better now. I'll have to obviously play with the numbers. Let's see, get more desirable. Maybe I kind of want to be a little bit more aggressive, but also it is a chance thing. Maybe I could have it so that the block chance goes up if it takes more damage. Right now, yeah, it's strafing. And then I'll go with the shield stuff for the player a little bit. But as you can see, let me just do it again. As you see, I'd have some more in the inputs, or more usual, or feedback, like the hit sound, and then the animation. And then I'm going to try to get the block again. I also added that for the player as well. As you see now that it's blocking, it makes that sound that communicates that, the AI is in fact blocking. It can block and strafe. And I'll just go over to that. So the block chances is controlled here so that, there will be a random integer. And if it is, less than the block chance, block up will be up, which is what causes the AI to block. And then with strafing, in the setting behavior, let's see, generating behavior, right here, attack strafe generator. Like I said, I was experimenting with a strafe chance, but it's a 50-50 for strafing and attacking. And then which sets the behavior right here. And obviously, if it attacks, attack. If it strafes, even after 2 seconds, restart. I found that this was at 3 seconds. I found that making it 2 seconds made the AI feel a little bit better combat-wise. So yeah, those are some of the major changes I made. And I definitely like this version of the AI better than the one I initially had. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.